Okay, so for our fourth problem on inscribed angles on circles, so we have this problem. Rizal wants to determine the value of the angles of a four-sided book that was placed on a circular container. The said book is The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. So the vertices of the book are inscribed on a circle, given there. So given on the illustration are also its angles. So we need to find the values of angles C, O, P, and E. Okay, so to solve for this problem, guys, do you remember the theorem? The fourth theorem that we used also a while ago, that the opposite angles of a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle are supplementary. Okay, so to do so, okay, to apply that theorem, okay, so let's try to identify first what are the opposite angles on this circle, on the quadrilateral inscribed in the circle. So we have here the opposite angles are angle C and angle P, and we have angle O and angle E. So those are our two pairs of opposite angles. And according to the theorem, if we add them together, we have to get 180 degrees. So the measurement of angle C plus the measurement of angle P is going to be 180 degrees. And the measurement of angle O plus the measurement of angle E should be 180 degrees as well. Okay, so we're going to create two formulas for this one. Okay, so let's start with the first one. The measurement of angle C plus the measurement of angle P is equal to 180 degrees. And we know that angle C here is equal to 12B minus 2 degrees. And the measurement of angle P is equal to A plus 98 degrees. So for this one, guys, we're going to try to equate the entire value of this equation to A. Okay, so this is going to give us A is equal to 180 minus 12B plus 2 and then minus 98. Is that right? Okay, so to solve for the value of A, so that's going to give us A is equal to 180 plus 2, okay, plus 2 minus 98, so that's going to give us 84. Okay, so A is equal to 84 minus 12B. Okay, so now let's go to our second equation. So we have here the measurement of angle O plus the measurement of angle E, so that's going to give us 180 degrees. So what are the values of angle O and angle E again? So we have here angle O is negative 1 plus 17B degrees, and the measurement of angle E is 2A plus 62 degrees. And all of those, when we add them together, that they're going to be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so to solve for the value, to simplify this equation, so that's going to be 2A plus 17B is equal to 180 minus 62 plus 1. Okay, so we just transposed. So that's going to give us 2A plus 17B is equal to, okay, 180 minus 62 plus 1. So that's going to give us 119 degrees. Okay, so we know that the value of A is equal to 84 minus 12B. So we can use this equation, okay, as a substitute for the value of A for the second equation. So our second equation again is 2A plus 17B is equal to 119, and we're going to try to substitute the value of A for this equation. So this is going to be 2 times 84 minus 12B plus 17B is equal to 190 degrees. And from here, we can now solve for the value of B. So that's going to give us 84 times 2. So that's 168 minus 24B. Okay, B plus 17B is equal to 119 minus, okay, 168. Okay, so we have to remove this one. So negative 24, okay, plus 17, negative 24 plus 17 is going to give us negative 7B. Okay, so negative 7B is equal to 119 minus 168. So essentially that will give us negative 49. So if we divide both sides by negative 7, okay, the value of B is going to be equal to positive 7. So B is equal to 7. Okay. To solve for the value of A, then we just simply have to substitute the value of B here, which is 7, to this equation. to the first equation that we have here. So A is equal to 84 minus 12B. So this is going to be equal to 84 minus 12 times 7. And 84 minus 12 times 7. So that's going to give us simply 84 minus 84. And therefore, the value of A is equal to 0. Okay. So substituting the values that we got here at the bottom. Okay, so let's try to solve for the values of angle C, O, P, and E. So that's going to give us angle C. The measurement of angle C is equal to 12 times 7. So that's the value of B minus 2. And the measurement of angle O is going to be equal to -1 plus 17 times the value. Okay, wait. Okay, again, the value of B is 7. Yeah, okay, so -1 plus 17. Okay, so times. Okay, so the value of B is 7. Okay, so let's get that later. The measurement of angle P is going to be equal to A. The value of A is 0 plus 98 degrees. And then lastly, we have the measurement of angle E is going to be 2 times 0 plus 62 degrees. So from here, we can already see that measurement of angle P is 98 degrees and the measurement of angle E is equal to 62 degrees. And if we check for the measurement of angle C, so that's going to be 12 times 7 minus 2, so that's going to give you 82 degrees. Okay? And for the measurement of angle O, so that's going to be 17 times 7 and then minus 1, so that's going to give you 118 degrees. And if you add angle C and angle P, you will get 180 degrees. So therefore, they are supplementary. And if we add the measurement of 118 and the measurement of angle O and angle E, which are 118 and 62 degrees, if we add those, we're also going to get a supplementary angle or a linear pair, which is 180 degrees. Okay, so therefore we have here our 4 values for our inscribed quadrilateral. The measurement of angle C is 82 degrees. The measurement of angle O is 118 degrees. The measurement of angle P is 98 degrees. And the measurement of angle E is 62 degrees. Okay, so that's for inscribed angles for our second module in the 4th quarter. Okay, so our next lesson is going to be more about tangents and chords of a circle. So it's a good place to stop.